this one's a little big. First look today at the Mastercraft 20-gallon compressor, the cheapest 20-gallon compressor I could find. Alright, well, we'll see if we can get this thing out of here. I wanted to get a new compressor for my workshop, but I wanted to test out something that would be along the lines of what pretty much anybody could afford. And I think we found it here. Inside the box, more boxes. Now this one comes with an air hose reel, as you'll see on the overlay on the screen. Just a standard non-retractable or non-spring loaded by the looks of it, but looks like a good hose. And also we get the compressor itself. 20 US gallon, 3-year warranty. Looks like it'll work. There we go. First sign of damage already. Our overpressure or pressure relief valve pull to drain is sheared off. I definitely didn't do that on unboxing, so not a big deal. I can replace that, but it's just too bad that it came that way. Well, not a big deal. A little bit of excess packaging, but well, kind of wish it would have been more. That's where the pressure relief valve dinged the cardboard when it was on its side once upon a time. Could have even been when I brought it home in the car, but there we go. That's the unit. It's a good looking unit. I quite like it. I like that the regulator here has a nice big knob for if you're changing this down for say high volume low pressure painting or whatever. You have an air tool like an air nailer, you want to go with a little bit less pressure rather than running like 125 psi on the tank. So yeah, that should do the trick. I like it. It rolls easy. I was able to roll it up here, no problem. All contained, and there is a small air intake muffler to be put on right here. This probably doesn't need to be screaming tight. I don't think we'll even wrench it on. It might vibrate loose. Shouldn't need any Teflon tape or anything on there. Should be fine. Alright, so it's been almost exactly 2 months, and the compressor is still working perfectly. Is it a buy? Well, it depends on your situation. If you're doing a lot of high volume air movement, like paint spraying and stuff, I'd say not. But if you're doing like me with just periodic stuff, I'd say definitely a buy, as long as you can put up with the noise. It is noisy. So this is where it's come to live. It's tucked in the corner here, no issues. I have 2 lines plumbed off of it, one running up the wall and heads over to here with my retractable hose. I use this every day. It's absolutely wonderful. And then this one I just use at the workbench here whenever I'm working on something. Right now it's a Mr. Heater. Video will be on the channel soon if it isn't already, but overall, no complaints. This little bit of shipping damage, the pressure relief valve, the overpressure valve, I did have to replace that. It sucked, but these things happen. So let's go ahead and check and see what we got for moisture in it right now. Okay, it's been some days since I've drained this, so we'll just see what we get. All right. Well, that's quite a little bit of water, but it's summertime here and extremely humid, so that's completely expected. If you're not familiar, this is the drain valve underneath. It's just a quick turn. You only have to turn it about a quarter turn, and it'll start dumping the water out of the bottom of the tank. You should do this periodically. You don't want water sitting in the bottom of the tank. It will rot it out, and that's just normal maintenance that you got to do. Virtually guarantee someone's going to complain if we don't hear it run, so this is something can't be trusted on video because I'm gonna have to attenuate the level so it doesn't peak. But this is what it sounds like when it kicks on. There we go. So overall, it's up to you whether this is going to suit your needs or not, or whether it suits your price range. It's extremely price reasonable. I think it'll fit in most shops and most budgets. For this size of compressor, I think it's a good starter compressor. Is it going to run a shop? No, you're not going to do like normal 10 hours a day with all your air tools running. I don't think the longevity would be there, but I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. It suits my needs just fine. If I start getting crazy out here and start needing a little bit heavier duty, well, I'll go ahead and replace it and sell this one to some other lucky person. But good luck with yours if you buy one. I will see you next video. Click a thumbs up if you like these videos, if you like reviews and stuff. I'll catch you guys next video. Cheers.